Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday, really natural, easy look. So if you want to see how I achieve this, just keep watching. Just going to show you guys what I use. I leave the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I love this stuff. It smells so good. You only need a little bit, and once it's through, you just take a wide tooth comb and brush it through damp hair, and it just makes my hair so soft. And because I like to dye my hair a lot, thank you Aubrey Brown, I love this stuff because my hair is so dry from dyeing it, and it's damaged because I don't know how not to dye my hair, but super recommend. That stuff is so cost effective and it is so inexpensive, and it's like, I think it's $6-7. So after I put in my leave-in conditioner, I like to put on a headband to keep it out of my face. This one is so cute. It's from TJ Maxx. It was like $4. And it's just so soft and so cute. And I'm super into this purple color right now. It's just so cute. Put the tag away. And now we're ready to get into skincare and makeup. So first I'm gonna need a drink break. This is my strawberry Red Bull. I make it home, by the way, because it's cheaper. So first I'm gonna go in with the Restore Serum from Lash. It is a German company. They're really small, but you guys should definitely go follow them on Instagram. They have some really great stuff, and you can actually order samples from their website, and that's what I did to try it, but I actually love this stuff. So it looks really nasty, but it like just works so good. I promise once you get it all rubbed in, it does not look like this. It does give your face a little glow. And it makes my skin so soft and moisturized. And I super adore it. And it just smells so good. Yeah, I'm all glowy. And I just like to put this all over, even my eyes and stuff. There's nothing that I don't think that is going to really hurt your skin. It doesn't hurt my eyes. I could be totally wrong based on your skin type, but for me it works really well. And I have really, really dry skin, so I like to use really moisturizing stuff, which would be this product. And I only use this about once a week. I just want to make sure it's all rubbed in before we start. Perfect. And so to start my makeup, I'm going to go in with the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I actually really adore this stuff. I was really, really skeptical to buy Glossier. I've heard really good things, but I've just never tried it, and usually when I order products online, it ends up going really, really wrong. And so I was super hesitant, but I took the plunge, and I do not regret it at all. I bought it with the Jelly face cleanser and the lip balm. It was so worth the $40, you guys. Now that we are primed, let's jump in. So first I'm gonna start with my Born This Way TooFaced foundation in the shade Snow, because this is my winter shade, because apparently my skin doesn't know how to be tan, but that's nice. And I only like to use a little bit, especially for my everyday looks, just because I have freckles and I love them, and I don't like stuff feeling really, really heavy on my skin. That's really, really important to me, that it doesn't feel awful. And I'm just gonna go in with my, what is it? My Morphe M707 3/4 brush. I just use this to kind of just spread it around and beat my face with it, but that's okay. I just like to use this to really disperse the product and get it all over before I go in with my beauty blender and really start blending it in. I used quite a bit. It's okay. I really like this foundation, especially if you have dry skin. It's really, really hydrating and it doesn't crack and get gross like the rest of mine usually do. So if you do have dry skin, I would recommend this foundation. My sister has really oily skin and she uses this and she doesn't love it on her oily skin. So I don't know if you have ways to combat that so she can use it. Please let me know, but we're working with what we're working with here. So next I'm just gonna take my already dampened beauty blender and just start blending it out. That way you don't see any of my paint strokes or anything like that. Oh boy, I need to do my eyebrows real bad. It's okay. And I just like to blend it out and make it look nice and pretty. I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I like to take a spoolie. This is just my my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. I'm just taking the spoolie and kind of brushing them out, just so we have a nice smooth base here. Eyebrows is definitely one of my favorite parts because I have such bushy brows and fluffy brows are really, really in. And that makes me feel so good because I don't have to do anything with my brows. So I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. This is in the shade Grind. I think this is their darkest shade they have, other than the black. But most natural shade, yeah. And I'm just going to start brushing this through my brows. And I love, love, love the fluffy, messy brow look. So that's what we're gonna kind of go for here today. And I really like to really just fluff up the very front of my brow so you get that messy brow look. And I actually really, really like this better than most of my other brow gels I have. I like the tint and I like how fluffy it makes my brows look. Sorry, my boo's texting me. That's okay, he can wait. And now we have an eyebrow, wow! And next one.
Music bed.
You know, I just like to get a little crazy with it because fluffy brows are crazy.
Music bed.
And when I'm doing fluffy brows, I kind of like to pull the hair in the opposite direction. Oh, that's nice. That way it stands up and doesn't just lay flat.
Music bed.
It doesn't go its normal direction because we want them bold and loud. And so if you mess up like I did right here, if you just wait for it to dry and you can actually take your brow spoolie again and scrape it right off. Okay, well I didn't wait long enough, but usually that works really good. And then I just like to take one last comb through with my spoolie to make them stand how I want them to before the brow gels really set. And now you have fluffy brows. So next I'm gonna go in with my, let's see, I'm gonna do my Nude Huda palette. I'm just gonna give my eyes just a little definition and just give them a little warmth and color. So first I'm gonna go in with the base color, just to give us a base. And I just like to smear this all over my eye. And this is just a little flat, thick brush. This one is from CNA Cosmetics. And now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, Secret. It's a little bit more of a nude pinky color. And I'm just going to start by going in my crease pretty light. Because I'm wanting, this is my natural look, and so I want to keep it pretty low-key.
Music bed.
What is on my eye?
Music bed.
And just to add just a tiny bit more definition, I'm going to mix the colors Raw and Teddy. Because Raw is a little dark, but I really like the undertones. And I'm just going to start by sweeping that under my eye to give us that really grungy, kind of tired look, because I'm always tired and ready for a nap. So this really suits me, I feel like. And I feel like when you sweep it under your eye, it really just pulls the whole look together. That looks pretty cute. Do the same thing again. My left eye, I always seem to go down too low when I bring my eyeshadow underneath my eye. So we're really gonna try and avoid that this time. And then just going back and bringing that same color, whatever's left on the brush, just bring it back up in your crease to kind of really connect the look. Because it's really important that it looks together. Okay. So now that that's done, I'm going to leave my eyebrows a mess. I'm not going to conceal them or anything because that kind of defeats the purpose of the fluffy brow look. They're supposed to look a hot mess basically, but it's cute. So now I'm just going to go ahead and contour with my Wet n Wild stick. This is the shade Where's Walnut. And I'm just going to do a couple of little dots along my cheekbones. Just like this. And I'm just taking my Real Techniques contour brush and I'm going to sweep it in circles just along my cheekbone.
Music bed.
And I want to make it really, really blended and really light. That way we get that really natural look. And so next I'm going to go in with my RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. This is my favorite highlighter on the planet. There's no sparkle in it, so it just looks so natural and pretty. And I just love it so much. I also like to do the inner corner of my eyes to kind of give me more of an awake look. Also, I do my nose, my Cupid's bow, and this is, I really like to put it up here. This is one of my favorite places to highlight. I just feel like it looks so natural and I just love it. I don't know what it is. But next I'm gonna go in with my Powder Puff Lippie from NYX. This is in the shade Best Buds. I'm just gonna do a little bit on my cheeks, my nose, And just kind of bring it up and around.
Music
I like the really natural boy beat, very fresh blushy look. I think it's just really, really cute. It's really girly, but it's just really, really cute. And I'm just using my finger because I feel like it blends out a lot better if you use your fingers.
music bed.
And the reason I like to do my nose is it almost gives you almost like a sick look. Not necessarily, but I think it's just so cute. Just do it, it's so cute. And then I also like to do the same color on my lips, but I like to go in really, really light.
Music bed.
And I love this applicator because it makes it so easy to really sponge and make it look natural. Whereas some of the other products I've used, it's really hard to blend it out and make it look really natural, whereas this is just a breeze to do.
Music bed.
Perfect. And I also already did my eyelashes, but I used the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl after I curled them. I'm not wearing falsies today because this is my everyday look. I really don't have time to wear falsies every day. And I don't have the effort, the eyelash glue in the eye, and I can't. So this is the final look. This is my super natural everyday wear. I would usually set this with some
Music bed.
setting spray, but I'm not doing anything today, so this is probably gonna come off within the next 5-10 minutes, but that's okay. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave all the products and the music and all my social media accounts down in the description box below. Please like and subscribe and turn the bell on so you'll know every time I post. Thank you so much for watching.